warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome you all on this evening, okay, Monday evening. Hope all are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. I am audible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum
Yes,
salam.
ma'am.
Yes, today is less attendance. Okay, let us start with our introduction part. Okay, one by one. Can I expect from Mr. S. Kumar or Muzammil, Mr. Muzammil?
Yes, madam. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
First, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Syed Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical in 2018. I have, I have 6 months of experience in research analyst as a in the process of data mining contact discovery.
Okay.
My short-term goal is to get a job in IT industry. My long-term goal is to develop my skill and become responsible and knowledgeable personality in my company. My strengths are hardworking, team worker. My weakness is I can't say no to anyone when they ask me any help. My hobbies are traveling. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, good, sir. Very nice. But still, no, more
Yes,
required, okay, in this, okay?
yes,
Please
yes,
work
sir.
on this, okay? Add some more.
I do. Yes, sir. I will do tomorrow.
Okay, inshallah. Please add the skill
Thank.
set, okay? As a
Oh,
professional,
okay,
okay, in IT
okay.
industry, you have experience. So add updated, upgraded
Skill. Yes,
skill set in your resume, okay?
yes, sir.
And your achievements also, and your previous experience. So what are the job profile?
Role.
You said no, you have added job profile. Somewhat elaborate and say, okay,
Okay, ma'am.
work on this, okay, please work. And today you just send me, okay, write
Okay,
and send it to me so that tomorrow you can say in the class, okay.
okay,
By
ma'am.
8 o'clock, just work on this and share the things what you have written,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Next, Muhammad Amir. Uh, can I expect from Muhammad? Uh, Muhammad, please, Muhammad Amjad. Today, those who have not given introduction, they will give today, inshallah. So start with Muhammad, Mr. Muhammad Amjad. Then next to Mr. Muhammad Moinuddin. I want to hear from these two persons. Okay, please.
Okay, ma'am. I'm starting, ma'am. I'm Muhammad Amjad.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Muhammad Amjad. Basically, I'm from Karnataka, Ballari, but I stay in Hyderabad with my grandma and uncle auntie. I graduate diploma in D3 that is electrical and electronic engineering. Coming to my skills, I'm quite good in basic computer skills and softwares, and quite good in MS, PPT, Excel, Words, and about if I speak about my projects, I did one solar project in last year in my college.
Mhm.
Uh, then coming to my strength, I have strength adaptability. I can adapt easily and fast, and reciprocative confidence, self motivation, working together like teamwork, Nowadays, teamwork is important, so teamwork is must in. Weakness, I could tell you, ma'am, but wouldn't want to share this. I don't want to mention that weakness.
Yeah.
Oh, family. Coming to my family, include me. In my family, there are four members: father, mother, and elder brother. Me. Hobbies. Yes, ma'am. Telling. I come to my hobbies. I like writing and learning languages, ma'am. Which is, when I was in college, I only know the three languages, ma'am. Only Urdu, Hindi, Kannada, English. That's all.
Mhm.
Next, I learned little bit Telugu and little bit Tamil. Now I'm still
Good.
learning.
Good
And
point.
yeah, once I became a volunteer in Seaford, ma'am, in Chaitanya
Okay.
Foundation in Hyderabad
Yeah.
in
Okay.
kidney donation.
Okay.
Uh, Thank you, ma'am, for giving me your precious time, showing interest in the position. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Jazakallah. But more effectiveness required. Okay. So
Okay,
add
ma'am.
the things, your educational credentials,
Okay.
diploma, graduation. You have not done graduation, just diploma.
Degree, ma'am. Yes.
Degree. Which
Yeah.
graduation in?
Diploma, ma'am. Electrical electronic engineering.
Yes. That after diploma, you have pursued graduation also.
No, ma'am. Last.
Experience you have.
No, ma'am. That just a fresh.
Okay, you just upgrade. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Research and upgrade how to, in which field you just in computer field or electronics you're looking for, which kind of job in IT industry for your field, any opportunity,
Yeah.
just go through the things and prepare your resume. Okay, introduction part.
Okay.
Okay, please work today, just share your things what you have. Okay, introduction part. Okay, please.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next, Muhammad
Yeah,
Moinuddin.
Muhammad Moinuddin. Can I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I am Muhammad Moinuddin. I have completed my graduation in field of electronics and communication at the year of 2012, and I have a total of 4 years of experience. Coming to my academic EC electronics
Sorry
engineering.
for the interruption. Graduation.
Yeah,
You have
ma'am.
not. Yes, specialization.
Electronics and communication ECE.
Okay.
Yeah, I have pursued my electronics communication affiliated to JNTU at the year of 2012. At their the final project I did in a, what can I say that? Electric pole claiming robot. At there we used to as we have seen that in electrical pole, in especially in India and also in almost all countries, a person used to claim the pole and used to fix the electrical lineman. We can say lineman, and he used to fix the line, which is almost dangerable for the. So in that concept, we design a robot in such a way that the robot will claim the pole and and the robot will fix the wire, uh, save the human life. And coming to my work experience, I have overall 4 years experience in Apex Covantage India Private Limited. At there, I work as a data analyst as a Thomson Reuters company. At there, I used to work both as a operator plus as a QC analyst, as well as I used to work as a mentor for the new batches. And I used to train them, and I used to appoint them. They have the work what they have, and after they complete their initial work, I used to do the QC. Means I used to recheck that what they have did. And apart from that, my family background, I have two brothers and two sisters. Two are elder than me, and one is younger to me. And my mother is a housewife. My father have expired at the year of 2000 when I was pursuing final year. That's it. That's it about me. Coming to the hobbies, I used to play cricket with my friends during the weekends, and I like to learn and read newspapers and books, which is interesting. Coming to my strength, I used to mingle with my friends during weekend days. Uh, and coming to the curriculum means goals and long means what can say. Uh, I have been affiliated means I worked with some NGO like Mustafa MHF Mustafa Helping Fund. There we used to help the poor means needy persons where they required a medical help. We used to consent them to the hospitals, and we used to help them, which is a hospital, and we used to join them with the medical facilities. That's it about me. Thank you.
Okay, Jazakallah, good introduction, but you have not done the preparation. Okay, just prepare and practice tomorrow. Just give your preparation.
Yes, ma'am.
You need more effectiveness and confidence. So please practice and first prepare, then practice, and tomorrow just with confidence, just give it. Give in the class introduction class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Just-
Next, please, Muhammad Amir.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Amir. My father name is Mr. Muhammad Khurshid. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Usmania City in the stream of commerce, and I have completed my post-graduation in the stream of information technology. While MBA, while doing a post-graduation, I have completed one project called Google Ads Server, and my abilities is I am flexible and I am hardworking person, and my weakness is I am very emotional person. And my long-term goal is to I want to become a manager or team leader in reputed company, and my short-term goal is to join a good reputed company and work for them. And my hobbies are reading books, painting, drawing. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good job. You have improved a lot. Still, I expect that you just somewhat English fluency and the accent. Okay, try to inculcate these things. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, please. Good job. Next, please.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, sir. Mr. Usman. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. First of all, I'd like to thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am Usman Ali, born and brought up in Hyderabad. I've completed my master's in communication systems engineering in 2013 from JNTU, Hyderabad. I have 9 years of professional experience, out of which I worked for 6 years in academics as an assistant professor. During that tenure, I got an opportunity to guide a lot of students in achieving their academic qualifications and career prospectus. I feel my strengths are public speaking, mentoring, and counseling skills. Besides that, I'm well versed with the software tools such as Microsoft Office applications, basic programming, and hardware and networking skills. I have a short-term goal to make a career in cybersecurity domain, and a long-term goal to start an IT company through which I can contribute to the society with my skills and to positively make an impact. My strength is my confidence and optimistic approach to the happenings in life. And my weakness is emotions and sufferings of the people. My hobbies are learning new skills and technologies, and reading technology related articles on web, and maintaining a perfect physical and mental health. To conclude, I am thankful for your patient hearing, and I'm looking forward for a reply from your end. Thank you very much.
Good. Nice. So everybody please try to give the conclusion, okay? Please. Next, Mr. Riaz Ahmed.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Thanks for giving me opportunity. My name is Riaz Ahmed. I belong to Hyderabad. I have done my BTech from specified field CSC, Computer Science Engineering. I have 3 years of experience in digital process and computer operations. I am my role is planning, coordinating day-to-day projects, handling process request, and also dealing with client, providing support on issue related to the processing team. Before that, I have experience in Gulf as indoor sales coordinator. I have done my academic project from Orbit Institute. I have done the project on employment separate system. Like employment separate system is like when employee is coming to the company till his resignation, what are the details that we will enter. My achievements are I have been complimented by my management. I have worked on special projects. My short-term goal is to increase my salary and to get a good job in IT sector, whereas long-term goal is I should recognize for my work. My hobbies are volunteering, helping other people whom I know or whom I don't know. My strength is I will be focused creativity, and my weakness is I am very lazy. Conclusion. I have proven ability to provide creativity and effective solutions through the application of highly developed problem-solving skills. I have ability to develop and maintain close relationships with other support team and development team. Thank you.
Jazakallah. Great. Mr. Riaz Ahmed, please don't specify that you are lazy. Please
Okay.
don't give your negative points, okay? Weakness. Weakness,
Okay.
don't
Sure.
make it as weakness as a negative, okay?
Okay.
Just change it other way, okay? Please don't specify like this.
Okay. Sure.
And
Next
one
time.
more thing, yes. So
Yes.
one more thing I want to be clear that everybody, you are looking for an opportunity in IT industry. I am correct? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
in IT sector, okay? So in IT sector, just research according to your qualification, according to your skill set, according to your experience, okay? 3 things: skill set, experience, and qualification. So you are from different streams. So research in IT industry, what are the job profiles, opportunities based on your qualification, skill set, okay, and your background. So research and select, write it down. You want this job, this type of job, okay? Administrator, okay? Which administrator we have here? Network administrator, okay? Or developer. Others also are there, floor manager. Depending on that, try to upgrade or improve, try to upgrade or update your skill set according to that. Please work on this. Simply going for the interview without any specific, okay? Be smart. Your goal is you want to achieve good opportunity in IT industry. So please be specific what kind of job you are looking for. According to that, prepare yourself by doing your prepare yourself means you just add on the skill set. Set means number of skills. Set means number of, you should have number of skills. So you have number of skills, everybody? Only you have the foundation basis. You are graduate in this engineering, okay? Engineer graduate, okay? So you have the course, just you have gone through the course. You have not gained any implementation, any experience, some, but you have experience, but in different field. You should be specific, okay? Just work on this. Please seriously work on this, on your skill set. Then only you can go through the first interview. Then second interview is technical. According to your skill set, they will ask for the technical round. So be specific and relevant. These two things important for achieving a goal. Okay, isn't it? So please today just write it down, research. Today just research it. I will give you 2 days time. I will ask you once again. After 2 days, I will ask you about your skill set. Just share the things. Just share the things in which field you want and what are the skill set you should have. Write it down and try to work on that. Okay. Everybody, 11 participants, they have given introduction part. Okay, everybody, they have given, okay, introduction part. So we are talking about the WH, okay, WH questions. It's a in interview, you will come across this type of questions only. Okay, what is your name, from where you are, which on which platform you are working and you want to work. So these are WH questions. Okay, this is the interrogative sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences, WH means asking questions. In the interview, you will get this type of questions. Here we have a popular interview questions. What interests you about this job? How do you handle stress and pressure? Then what are your goals for the future? What can you do for this company? So these are the popular interview questions, WH questions. What interests you about this job? And what can you do for this company? These are the questions related. How do you handle stress and pressure? Okay, this is the some quick exercise. We'll do a quick exercise of this WH questions. Okay, fine. So here we have in the box, we use this what, when, where, why, who, which, what kind, what time, how much, how many, how often, what. Okay, if you are familiar with the English, okay, English, so just put the appropriate WH word in this underline. Okay, in this space, dash is your birthday.
When
When
is your
yes,
birthday?
yes, very quickly, just one by one go through this 12 questions, 24 questions. Quickly, very
When is
quickly.
your birthday? Where do you exercise? What do you where do you live?
Where do you live?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Which
What
of music do you like?
Which of okay
What?
Which of music do you like?
Which of music do you
which
what kind of music?
what kind of, but it's
Yes,
of
what kind of music do you like? Yes. How many? How many brothers and
How
sisters?
many brothers and sisters do you
how many
have? What are you going to do tomorrow? What do you usually when do you usually go to bed?
Hmm.
Where do you live with? With what time do you live? No.
Why do you live with?
Why do you live with?
where
Where do you live with?
where do you live?
Okay,
Do you
where,
live with?
okay.
What are you learning?
How?
English.
What are you learning English?
What are you learning in English?
What are
What
you
did
learning?
you do yesterday? Where did
What
you
did
do
you
yesterday?
what did you
What
do
did you
Why
yesterday?
yesterday?
What did you
why
do?
are you learning English will be the correct.
One.
Which?
Why
Which
do
do
you
you
prefer
prefer?
ice
Ice
cream
cream?
or cake?
What do you prefer? Yes, what do you prefer?
I think where do you prefer ice cream or cake? Where do you prefer ice
What
cream?
do you prefer? What do you
Where?
prefer? Ice cream or cake? What? Ice cream or cake? Where? No. What do you? Coffee do you drink a day?
How many? How
Coffee.
many? How many?
Yes. How many coffee do you drink a day?
Dash, did you start learning English?
When did you
How much
did you start?
when
how much did you start learning? Or how often did you start learning English? How much did you start? How often did you? Dash, do you go to the beach? How often do you go to the beach? How often? Yes.
where do you want to live in the
Yes.
future? Where
Dash, do you want to live in the future?
where do you want to live?
Where do you want to live in the future?
What kind of food do you like?
What kind of food? How many pets do you have?
Yes. How many pets do you have? Yes.
What are you doing? What are you going? Where are you going to do tonight?
What are you going? I think, ma'am. This.
What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight? Okay, what
Yes,
are you?
What do you
Do you
usually?
usually
When do you usually wake up?
Huh.
Who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend? How often do you like or how much do you like or dislike?
Yeah, how much?
How much do you like or dislike English, learning English?
What did you do last night? What did you do last night?
Then what do you prefer? Yes, what do you prefer?
What do you prefer?
How much?
Which
How
fruit do
many?
you eat a day?
Which fruit do you eat a day?
Where is the fruit?
Please, others try. Other two persons.
How much fruits do you eat a day, ma'am? How much fruits?
How much fruit?
How much fruit do you eat a day? I think.
Yeah, how much? What fruit do you eat a day? What fruit do you eat a day?
Yes, ma'am. What fruit? I think, ma'am. This also.
Next, please, others try this. Three or two. 3 or 2 questions. Anybody, please? To improve your English skill, okay? English speaking skill, you to improve that. Please, Mr. Abdul Wasi, please frame this sentence. Interrogative sentences, these are WH questions. Please, any two of you? Muhammad Moinuddin. Yes, please.
Dash you stay means where do you stay? Where do you stay?
Student B, just go through this student B. First 5, okay? First 5.
Okay, ma'am. Did you start? When did you start learning English?
Okay.
How often? How often do you go to the beach?
Yes.
Do you want to live in the future?
Yes.
What kind of food do you like?
Good job. Good. Next, Mohammad Amjad. First, set A, student A, first 5. Muhammad Amjad, please. I have more.
Yeah. I was saying my mic was off, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
When is your birthday?
Yes.
What do you? Where do you do? Where do you exercise? Where do you live? Uh, which of music? What of music? What kind of music do you
What
like?
kind of music do you like?
Yes. Yeah. How many brothers and
Yes.
sisters do you have?
Fifth.
How many?
Okay. Next set student B from sixth question. From sixth. Student B, sixth question. Yes, Muhammad Amir, Amjad.
Yeah, ma'am. I just said now. First 5.
Yeah. Second set. Next from sixth onwards. Muhammad Amir, anybody else, please? Muhammad Amir.
Yes, ma'am. What are you going to do tonight?
Okay.
Next is
How often?
next is 7. Ma'am. Do you wake up? Acha. What do you no, sorry. Who is your best friend, ma'am? Next one.
No, you have missed the seventh one.
Yes, ma'am. Dash, do you usually wake up? When do you usually wake up, ma'am? When do you usually wake up?
Okay. Yeah, how often do you usually wake up?
No, ma'am. When do you usually wake up? When?
Okay, when? Yes.
Next is you dash. Do you like or dislike learning English? Why?
Yes.
Why do you like or dislike learning English? Why?
For
Why?
like and dislike, you have WHY only.
Yes,
for
ma'am.
like and dislike, why only?
WH is why only. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then what did you do last night? What did you do?
Yes.
What do you prefer, tea or coffee? How much fruit do you eat a day? Yeah, how many should come, ma'am? How much or how many in the last one?
Yes, how many fruit?
How many?
No, many we can't write. Fruit
How,
is there. So how
so
much?
it's a singular, right?
Yes,
Fruit is singular. Okay. So how much?
Fruit do you eat a day?
How much will be the correct one?
Yes. So just understand the logic for like and dislike, why, and for prefer, what.
Ma'am, here for student B, question number 7, can we say like this? At what time do you usually wake up? Like at
Yes,
what?
time also we can. For WH, we can WH question only. It's at what time? Yes, at what time do you usually wake up? Yes, correct.
But usually we have to select from this box, no, ma'am. Whatever options are given in the
Just
box.
Yes, but other way also.
Yes, ma'am. Other ways we can
way.
say in that way also.
Yes.
But usually during this type of questions, we have
Yes.
to select from the box, like any.
From the box only.
Yes, in box we have, ma'am, what? Like if we start the sentence with what means the sentence is incomplete. If we tell at what means, then it is complete. I was asking that one.
At what do you usually wake up? WH, it should start with WH only.
Okay.
Here we have, okay, some more. A, B, C, D. You have to use this 4 options: who, when, where, how long. It's a speaking, okay, it's a speaking time, English speaking. For this, we have this activity, okay, WH questions. You have to frame the questions. Please,
Where?
others come up. So,
Where
one
do you
question.
live?
Yes.
Where do we live?
You do one, like we are 11 participants, okay, 10. Okay, so we have 10 labels, we have 20 labels, okay, so each one will get 2 labels. So first one set will do 10 questions one by one. Okay, start please.
Oh, first one, ma'am. Where do you
Yes,
live?
yes, then use who, when, and how. Also how long.
Okay, all 4 should be used at one time.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
in this
Who
sentence.
do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? How long you live? How long you live?
Where do you live? When
Yeah, when do you live?
when do you live? It's not a proper. You have to make a proper sentence related to this live.
Okay, according to the past and present tense.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Who do you live? Or live it's who is not matching. When do you
How
live?
long?
How long?
When?
Okay. How long do you live? La means survive.
Yes. How long do you lived here?
You live.
How long do you lived here? And who are who is living with you? When anyone please try this option related to live.
Why have you lived there?
Why it's
And
not there? No.
no,
No,
okay.
ma'am. How long? How long have you lived there?
Yes.
Here, out of 4, only one will be the correct, no, ma'am?
Yeah. First one is where. Where do you live? How long have you lived there?
Uh,
Do you live with?
when you
Who do you live with?
Who do you live with, ma'am? Yes.
who do you live with? When we cannot use it. Okay.
How many people
How many
are
people
there?
are there in
How
your
many?
family?
Yes. How many people? Yes.
How many is not there? Only 4. Who, when, where, how long.
No, ma'am. In fourth question.
4th question.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
How much? How many? How long? Which? How many
Can we
peoples are
use
there in your family?
in third one? Can we use instead of whom do you live with?
Yes, yes. Yes. Whom we can use it.
Whom do
But
you live?
but in the options we don't have whom.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Where do you
How much, people
often?
are there? How many people are there in your family? How long?
How often do you give?
How often? Yes. How often do you get those?
Yes.
What is your mother name?
When is your birthday?
Yeah. When is
When?
your birthday?
Where do you live
Where
with?
do you?
What do you do on your birthday? What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
What's your phone number? What's your email address?
Where?
How
How
long
tall
are
are
you?
you?
How long are you, I think so.
How tall? How tall?
How
How
tall?
tall?
How much it costs your phone?
Yes.
How much it
How?
costs your phone?
How
How much it costs?
how often do you go to cinema? How often?
Which brand of
13th. How often do
phone?
you go to cinema?
Yes.
What do
What do
you
you
usually do on
usually do
Sundays?
on Sundays?
Yeah.
What
What?
is?
Which color do you like most, red or green?
Which?
Yes. Which color?
How many teeth
How
do you
many
have?
teeth you have?
How many? Yes.
How many cousins do you have?
How are you? How
How
long?
far do
How
you live
high?
from here? How
How
far
far?
do you live from here? 18th.
How much? How much does a cinema ticket cost? How much?
Yes.
Yes.
When this
How long did
How
this
much
interview
does?
take? How long?
Yes. How
Yes,
long
how long?
did interview takes?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everybody very quickly will do first one. First one. First.
Where?
First, where do you live,
Where
ma'am?
do you
Where?
live?
Yeah.
Second.
Second,
How long?
how long you lived there?
How long you
Third.
How long do you live there?
Third.
Where do you live with?
Where do you
Who?
live with?
Who do you live with?
Who do you live with? Yes, ma'am.
Who you live with? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fourth.
How many people? How many?
How many people are there in your family?
Fifth.
How often?
How
How
often?
How
often?
often do you go to school?
how
What
do
is your
you
mother's
go
name?
get to school?
What's your mother's name?
What's your
What's your
mother
When
name?
mother's
is your
name?
birthday?
When
When
is
Seventh.
is
your
your
birthday?
birthday?
When is your birthday?
Eighth.
Yes.
What?
What do you
What do you?
do on your
What do you
birthday?
do?
Ninth.
What is your
What
hobby?
are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
Yeah.
Tenth.
What is your
What
phone
is your
number?
phone
Phone
number?
number. What
11th.
is your
What is your email?
What's your
What's your email address?
How tall
12th.
are you? How
How
tall are
tall
you?
are you?
How tall
How
are
How
tall?
you?
tall are you?
Yes.
How
Yes.
often do you
13th.
go to the cinema?
I think share market type.
13th one. How often do you?
How often do you go to the cinema?
Yeah.
14th.
14th is what? What do you
What do
usually do
you
What
on?
do you
do on
usually do
Sunday?
on Sundays?
15th.
Which
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 color
color
do
color?
do
you
you
like
like
most,
most,
red or
red or
green?
green?
How many teeth?
Yes.
How
How
many
many?
teeth do you have?
Yeah.
Yes. How long?
How many cousins do you have?
How?
How many?
How
Yes.
many cousins do
How
you
many?
have? Yes.
Yeah. How far do you live from here?
Live from here. How much? How
How
much
much?
does a
How much
cinema
does
ticket?
cinema ticket cost?
How
How
long
long
this
did this
interview will?
interview take?
This interview will take?
Okay, Jazakallah. So we got the point. So very quickly, one by one, say these 10 questions. Okay, please. Muhammad Amjad, please you start
Yes, ma'am.
very quickly.
Where
Yes.
do you live?
Yes.
Ma'am, I need to tell the first 10, ma'am.
Full 20 means speaking skills will improve. Okay. Your
Yeah.
tongue will, okay, very quickly
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
and very fluently, and accent should be there. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Some style. After that, Muhammad Amir. Please.
Okay, ma'am. I will start.
Yes, yes, please.
Where do you live? How long you lived there?
Hmm.
Who do you live with? How many people are there in your family? How often do you get to school? What is your name? When is your birthday? And what do you do on your birthday? What are your hobbies? What is your phone number? What is your email address? How tall are you? And how often do you go to cinema? And what do you do usually do on Sunday? And which color do you like most, red or green? How many teeth do you have? How many cousins do you have? How far do you live from here? How often does a cinema ticket cost? And how long did this interview take?
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Next,
19th. He has not said it correctly. 19th. You repeat 19th.
How much does a How much?
Yes.
Yes. How much does a cinema ticket cost?
Yeah, ma'am. How much does the cinema ticket cost?
Yes. Next, please, Muhammad Amir. Very quickly and with very fluency, and some have some accent, please.
Cinema.
Mr. Salman, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. One minute. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Where where do you live? How long have you lived there? And third one, how who do you live with? Fourth one, how many people? हाँ अब हाँ नहीं नहीं चलता. How many people are there in your family? Dash. Fifth one, ma'am. How do you get to school? What's your mother
No,
name?
no, wait. Fifth one. Fifth.
Fifth, ma'am. How, ma'am? How do you get to school?
How do you get to school? How often do you
How
get
of?
to school?
Okay. How often? Okay, I will correct it.
Often.
Often. Okay. How
Often.
of?
Be
Often.
silent. Often.
Often.
Yes.
Okay. How often do you get to school?
Hmm.
And what's your mother name?
Okay.
When is your birthday?
Okay.
And when do you do on no, what do you do on your birthday?
Okay.
And what are your hobbies?
Okay.
What's your phone number?
Yeah.
What's your email address?
Yeah.
How tall are you? How often do you go to the cinema?
Yes.
What do you usually do on Sundays?
Yes.
Which color do you like most, red or green?
Okay.
How many teeth do you have? How
Okay.
many, ma'am? How many? Is it correct?
Yes. How many?
Yes, ma'am.
Many matlab means countable. Much means you cannot count. Many
Okay.
means countable. Okay.
Much is used for quantity. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. How many cousins do you have? How how far do you live from here? Is it
Yes.
correct? Okay.
Yes. How far do you live from here? Yes. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Cinema ticket cost. How much does a cinema ticket cost?
Yes.
Damn, did this interview take? How long did this interview take?
Yes. But suppose you got the opportunity for the program for reading this. So how you will read this? You got the opportunity for the program that will telecast. Okay. So how you will read this? So that
Okay.
many people are watching you and hearing you. So you want
Okay.
to give your best, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So just that best I want from your side.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, so for 5 questions, give your best.
Okay. Wait. Can I start?
Yes, please.
Okay. First question, where do you live?
Don't specify first question. Just
Okay.
say it. I can identify. Okay.
Okay. Where do you live? How long have you lived there? Who do you live with? How many people are there in your family? How do you get to school?
No.
How often do you get to school?
Good job. So please,
Thank you.
everybody, give your best. If you are getting opportunity, so keep in your mind that if you are getting opportunity, give your best. Keep
Sure, ma'am.
everything,
Sure.
keep in your mind. Give your best. Your
Okay, ma'am.
interviewer, you are going to the new place and you have to give your best. So please, okay. So next, please next move on. 5 questions
you.
very quickly.
Who, ma'am?
Mr. Muhammad Amir,
Okay.
Jazakallah Muhammad Salman. You have given.
Amin, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Next, Muhammad Amir, are you there? Can I expect from Mr. Muzammil Sayyed? Give your best. Or Muhammad Amir, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, give your best, please. For 5 questions.
Who is your favorite teacher in your school?
Okay. That question is there here.
Stick to the question that is on the screen.
Screen.
No,
Don't
it's
frame
not
your
there.
questions.
Hello?
Yes, don't frame your
5 questions at a time, ma'am.
Yes.
5 questions in one time, ma'am.
Yes, yes, 5 questions. It is there on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
See the screen and give it in your best style, okay, best way. Okay, some have some accent and style. So in best way, give read this 5 questions, any 5 questions that is on the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Why are you so late?
Okay,
When is our interview? How much did you eat in dinner?
okay,
Where have been you since morning?
okay, good.
How many years? No, sorry. What is your favorite dish?
Okay, good questions. But Mr. Amin, I expect some more from your side. You have framed very good questions. Okay, WH questions, but some effectiveness should be there. Okay, so
Okay.
have some style. Okay, give your best
Okay.
while speaking. Please keep in your mind while speaking, give your best. Okay, once again, you repeat, Mr. Amir.
Who is your favorite hero? Why are you so late? How much you have earned in 1 month?
Okay, good job. Good questions.
How often you go to Salah? How
Okay.
often you read Quran?
Okay. Yes.
What did you do yesterday?
Okay. Jazakallah, Mr. Amir. Very good questions you have framed. Okay. Next, Mr. Muhammad Amjad.
Ma'am, I already told. The
Mr.
first was
Muhammad Moinuddin. He is not here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please. Any 5 questions.
Okay.
Give your
Should
best.
I
Yes. Give your best, please.
frame myself or should I select from this one?
Select from this because you have to give the best. Okay. It's your choice. In what way you can give your best.
Okay. Where do you live? What's your mother name? When is your birthday? What is? Sorry, ma'am.
What's your?
Yeah. When is your birthday? Is it hearable, ma'am?
Yes. Carry on, please.
Okay. What's your mobile number? What's your email address? How tall are you?
Okay.
How many teeth do you have?
Repeat once again.
How many teeth do you have?
Okay. Teeth is there. Teeth not there. Okay. Teeth.
Yeah, teeth. Yeah. Can I continue in 5 or complete?
Yes. Continue, please.
Okay. How many people are there in your family?
Okay, fine, good.
Uh, what are your hobbies?
Okay.
What?
Okay, good. Next, we'll have a conversation. One person will ask these questions and other person will give the answer. Okay, shall we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In pairs. In pairs, we have 8 participants. So 4 teams. Okay. In one team, we have 2 members.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first, Mr. Riaz Ahmed. Then next is Muhammad Amjad or Moinuddin. These 2 persons
Okay.
will start. Okay.
Okay. I'll start. Where do you
Where do you
study?
study?
Yeah.
have
I am
completed
asking
my-
questions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who will give answer, ma'am?
The another
Muhammad
person.
Moinuddin. Second, after Riaz Ahmed, who is there? Muhammad Moinuddin or Amir?
Riaz Ahmed and Muhammad Amjad, ma'am.
Okay, Muhammad Amjad and Riaz Ahmed, both of you.
Okay. I am asking question number 1. Where do you study?
Please try to keep in your mind. You have to give your best while speaking. Please don't
Yeah,
be
ma'am.
genuine. Okay, be professional.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Muhammad Amjad. Tell me.
Where
Where
do
do
you
you study?
Yeah. I study in Sanjay Gandhi Polytechnic. That is in Karnataka, Ballari.
Okay. Which subject do you prefer? English or mathematics, and why?
Uh, English. Why means because English is a common language. If we learn English better, then we can learn any language. If English comes in mathematics, social science, comes in under every languages, every
Okay.
subject.
Where do you live?
I live in Hyderabad near Qutub Shah Colony, Chota Bazar.
What sports do you do?
What sports? Football. I play football. That
What magazines do you read?
basically I don't read any magazines. If I know, I would like to tell, sir, but I don't know.
What time do you usually get up?
Please excuse me. I
Oh.
said professional. So don't say that. Please try to identify some magazine related to IT industry, journals,
Like
magazines.
one India Today, one magazine is there, ma'am. We can say that India
Quest
Today.
also
Yes.
is there. IT Quest. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. But first we need to know, no, ma'am, that magazine.
So on internet you have so many. Okay, e magazines will be there. So you
Okay,
know
ma'am.
more about the things.
Yeah, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, please, so
Okay.
add this. Okay, he may ask in the interview, or you can give as a reading magazines. Okay, in magazines
Okay.
you have different articles. Okay, topics
Yes.
also will be there.
5 questions finished, ma'am. Shall I continue, or
Okay,
next person will continue?
Okay, next person
Okay.
continue.
Thank you.
Jazakallah, welcome. Okay, next Mr. Amjad or okay, Mr. Usman Ali and Muhammad Salman.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I need to ask the questions or I need to answer, ma'am.
Okay, you just who will ask question?
As you say, ma'am. Like if you want me, I can ask
Like,
the
Ma'am, I
question.
want to ask questions, ma'am.
okay. Mr. Salman will ask question. You just
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
it.
Okay, okay, ma'am. No problem.
First 10, ma'am, only.
No, like you can start from this. Can you play?
Can you play? Okay, sure.
Or what time do you get up?
What
Like
time do you?
What time? Okay. What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at around 5:30 in the morning, and I offer the morning prayers.
That's good. Can you play the guitar or another instrument?
No, I have not played any guitar, but I have played an online like piano or something like that. So I like playing online on the things that are available on web.
Okay, no problem. How tall are you?
I'm 5'9". My height is 5 feet and 9 inches.
That's impressive. When is your birthday?
My birthday falls on 19th May each year.
Okay. What do you think of your teachers or students?
Uh, I think that the teachers are the most noble professions, uh, a student can succeed in life when he gives the respect to the teacher, and the responsibility of it of the student is to make sure that whatever his parent as well as the teacher is saying, the student has to follow. Then he can prosper, he can grow in the life. That is the responsibility of teacher and student.
Yes, correct. What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I have actually visited one of my uncle. His health was not good, so I visited him and I tried to inquire about his health. And if I could do, I have done some of his home course. I have helped him in that. So I felt very happy visiting him. It was a nice experience for me.
Okay. What are you going to do after class?
Today after class, actually, I have to go to the market to purchase some things, and down in the night, one of my relative is coming down, so I have to pick them from the airport. So these are the two schedules that I have today.
Okay, best of luck. What are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, as such, there's no such as assignment made. But if we have a practical class, I have actually missed the class last weekend, so I'll be attending that class, and if not, I'll be planning to do the revision of whatever things that were taught this weekend. I'll try to revise all the things that were taught in this week.
Okay, that's good. Ma'am, it's
Good, Mr. Muhammad Salman and Usman Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
thank you.
nice conversation between two of you. Okay,
Thank
next
you. Thank
Muhammad
you, ma'am.
Amjad
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
Muhammad Amir.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just finished.
Finished. Okay, finished.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or I will ask questions, ma'am.
Okay, you ask.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Amir. Where do you study?
Yes. I have studied in Usmania University, Anwar Ulum College.
Okay. Which subject do you prefer, English or maths? Why?
I preferred English because I love to solve mathematical questions like subtraction, addition, division, and so many by using formulas.
You said you love English,
That's why
but
I
you
like it.
need to solve mathematics.
I told mathematics.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
Where do you live, Mr. Amir?
From my childhood, I live in Hyderabad only.
Okay. What sport do you do usually?
Usually, I used to play cricket and snooker. Now I am not playing snooker because there is no club near to my house. That's why I am playing only cricket only.
Okay, okay. What magazine do you read?
Usually, I read India Today and Sports Car. One magazine is there.
Yeah.
Sports Car.
Do you tell any topic in that magazine from that magazine?
Yes, I usually in India Today.
Uh,
India Today, they show complete weekly news about politicians, what is current affair, and what is the next step of politicians.
so what's
All
your
that.
opinion on that topic?
That topics in India Today magazine, they usually show about racism, who is going to do bad thing and who is doing good things, and but we can get to know about the politicians, who is the best and who is the worst
Mm,
by reading that magazine.
okay. What time do you usually get up, Mr. Amir?
I usually get up at 4 o'clock because I need to drop my father at his garage. That's why I wake up 4 o'clock
Early
and I
morning.
offer salah. After that, again I went to a gym. After that, again I sleep.
Okay. Can you play the guitar and or another instrument?
No, actually no, but I have played on mobile phone. There is so many applications are there, piano and guitar. It's, only for fun I have played so many time.
Yeah, okay. Ma'am, finished, ma'am. Five,
Yes.
6 questions.
Good. Yes, yes, good interview you have given, both of you. MashaAllah. Okay, Muhammad Amir and Muhammad Amjad. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
very good questions we have next. Very good question, very much important for you. Okay, top 12 questions and answers. Job interview. Why did you leave your previous job? Okay, I have learned a lot from my current job, but now I am looking for a new challenge to broaden my horizons and to gain a new skill set, all of which I see the potential for in this job. I am looking forward to better opportunity to grow in job wise and financial wise. I want to learn more things. Where I am looking for a job where I can grow with the company. Okay, this is most important answer. So you're looking for a job where you can grow with the company. You want to grow not for yourself, for the sake of the company. Okay, I am looking for a job that suits my qualifications. I was laid off, redundant because the company relocated, downsized, needed to cut costs. These are the reasons why you want to leave your previous job. Okay, because for to upgrade yourself, to take the new challenges, or whatever the job, current job you're doing, it's not suits your qualification, or because the company is relocating, downside, needed to cut costs. Okay, these are the reasons why you want to leave your previous job. This is the very good question. You just uh, write it down, please, and prepare for this. Prepare yourself. Already Mr. Usman Ali, he has shared the answer for this question. Okay, now you have the this one, you can write it, I will share in the group. Okay, and checklist also, I have said you to prepare checklist. You have not prepared checklist and you have not shared the checklist also. So interview checklist is: research the company, know who you are meeting with, practice answers to typical question, bring copies of your resume, wear a professional yet appropriate outfit, know where you are going, arrive 15 minutes early, handshake, firm handshake. Okay, these are the checklist. More I have shared in the group. You have to prepare your checklist, please. Research and you have to prepare your checklist. You're not doing so, please do the homework. We are saying here, discussing everything, you're not doing anything. Homework, please do it. I will share these questions. Okay, checklist already shared, and this question also: why did you leave your previous job?
Okay.
Okay, and please, day by day, I want improvement in your language, in your fluency, in your pronunciation. Okay, give your best
Yes,
every
ma'am.
time. Please give your best every time. Okay, just list out what are the things you have to do after this class. Please, one by one, list out what are the things you have to do.
Uh, yes, ma'am. We have to prepare the checklist of for the interview.
Yes. Yes. Then next, write about the question why you need to leave your previous job also. Okay. Write the reasons. Anyone you can say. And what else? Introduction, work on most important things. Skill set, prepare your skill set
Yes, ma'am.
according to your job profile you are looking for. Please do this homework. I will give you more 2 days time. Okay? More 2 days
Yes, ma'am.
time
Yes,
to
ma'am.
come
We'll do,
up with
inshallah.
the policy. Please. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.